Hey, what is up guys, Hydra 453 here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing a quick tutorial on how you can go ahead and solder in brand new micro switches into your mouse. So the switches I'm using for today's video are the Huano blue shell white dots, and the mouse I'm soldering them into is the Endgame Gear XM1. Now, just a quick disclaimer, I do apologize for that buzzing noise you might be able to hear in the background of this microphone. I'm not really sure what the problem is. It might be my cable, but I'll be getting that fixed soon, shortly, hopefully, for the new videos. And the next thing is that, yes, this is my very first time soldering anything, so it might look a bit scuffed in this video, but I mean, there's not much I can do about that. It's my very first time. It did go relatively smoothly. I mean, it's all good now, but I did face a few problems that I'll quickly go over now before the video actually starts. So the main thing that was the main problem was I couldn't actually remove the original switches. So what I did, even though I desoldered them properly, I had a desoldering pump and all that sort of stuff. I did desolder all the original solder off, and it was all good, and there was no visible solder that I could see. But unfortunately, I couldn't actually properly take them out with my bare hands. I had to actually get a screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver, put it underneath of the switch after all the solder was removed, and I had to pry it out like that. So normally it would be fine, but it was really stuck in there, and I ended up damaging the actual original switch. So that no longer works. It's permanently damaged. So if you guys want to remove the original switches, just keep in mind that it's quite difficult. For me, it was quite difficult. I'm not really sure. It might just vary. Maybe I just did a bad job of desoldering, but I mean, just letting you guys know. And the next thing was I did actually have a problem where after I thought I'd finished it all completely, I went to go test the mouse, and I had a problem where the left click would not properly register. So it was a relatively easy fix. Just open the mouse back up again, and I just soldered on a few more. I just put some more solder onto the click that wasn't working on the 3 points, and then it worked fine. So now my mouse is working fine to this day. It's been about like 2 weeks since I started that, and I'm finally making a video. It's been a long time. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, righty. Well, enough rambling on. Let's go ahead and start with the actual video. Actually, last thing, if you guys want to see some more videos where I'm sort of doing a sort of commentary bit at the very beginning, let me know. I mean, I'm only doing a commentary here because mainly it's a bit difficult to sort of fully explain what the problems were with just text on the screen, so that's why I'm recording myself talking here. But I mean, if you guys want to hear it more often in most videos that I do, like tutorials, then let me know. I'd love to hear your opinions on it. Yeah, enough rambling on, guys. Let's go ahead and start. Oh, that's so nice.